Greetings, intrepid travelers of the Bitcoin universe. This is Echo, your navigator through the cryptographic cosmos, and today we're stitching together a special episode titled Magical Bitcoin Tailors, Suit Up with BIP85 and Custom Paths. Lock in and listen closely as we unravel the mysteries of safeguarding your satoshis with the enchanting synergy of BIP85 and the tailored precision of custom derivation paths. Ready to tailor your Bitcoin journey? Let's dive in. In the vast and labyrinthine world of cryptocurrency, two heroes emerge in the quest to keep your digital coins safe and sound: BIP85 and custom derivation paths. These might sound like secret codes or levels in a video game, but trust me, they're your trusty sidekicks in the digital wallet realm. BIP85 is like having one magical key that can effortlessly unlock a whole bunch of treasure chests, or in this case, wallets. Imagine planting a single seed in the ground, kicking back with a lemonade, and watching as that tiny speck turns into a forest of seeds that power up all our wallets. Simplicity at its best. It's a one-size-fits-all solution, where you don't have to juggle a zillion keys that could vanish faster than a Snapchat message. But watch out, because sometimes one size doesn't fit all. That's where custom derivation paths strut onto the stage. Think of them as your personal tailors for your wallet setup, stitching, and crafting every little detail to perfection. Want your wallet organized with the same obsession you have when you color code your apps? Custom paths are for you. They let you organize your wallet the same way you'd sort your crushing amount of unread emails. Sure, this might feel like you need a PhD in crypto wizardry, but for those who dream in code and breathe blockchain, it's pure nirvana. It's about as personal as it gets, like your digital DNA. Choosing between the streamlined charm of BIP85 and the bespoke elegance of custom derivation paths is a bit like picking between a swanky automated smart home and a quirky treehouse you build yourself. Either way, you're in the driver's seat, taking control of your digital destiny. So gear up, crypto adventurers, and secure your bounty with style. And that's how you bolster the defenses of your digital treasure trove, my fellow crypto crusaders. Whether you're drawn to the enchanting simplicity of BIP85 or revel in the intricate tailor fitting of custom derivation paths, you're charting your own course through the tantalizing seas of cryptocurrency. Remember, feedback is our treasure map, so like, share, and comment to support us on this journey. Let's grow together in the vast expanse of the digital coin cosmos. As the wise WBTM voice once said, be water, my friends. Adaptable, fluid, ever-flowing. Stay secure and catch you on the next wave of our Bitcoin explorations.